second generation of Ford Escape was produced from 2008 to 2012. This is one of the few small SUVs that still looks like a truck. Its square shape offers excellent interior space and all-around visibility. The Escape is available with a 4-cylinder or V6 engine and can be driven with front or all-wheel drive. It was the best-selling small SUV for many years because it is very practical inside and has comfortable driving characteristics. Although a used second-generation Ford Escape is not very expensive. What are the typical issues and how much do repairs cost? Let's find out. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Owners most frequently complain about throttle body failures, which occur at about 70,000 miles. The throttle body assembly costs about $500 to replace because its parts depreciate over time. A contaminated MAF sensor may be the root of the check engine light with the code P171. Cleaning the sensor usually helps, even after the special recall which was successfully complete. A number of owners reported having issues with the electric power steering. If the repair is not covered by warranty, it is expensive. The ABS light might illuminate and the traction control might start acting erratically if the front ABS sensor ring breaks. This part is also known as tone ring. The cost of replacing the tone ring is not excessive. Sway bar links. When moving slowly over small bumps, the front end will frequently make a knocking noise due to worn-out front sway bar links. Once more, it's a simple and affordable repair from $150 to $230 for parts and labor. Exploding windows. Another frequent problem with the Escape in the first 50,000 miles is exploding rear windows. The rear glass is fragile because of the way it was made, and even minor impacts can cause it to shatter. The glass replacement will cost you about $550. Transmission failures. Another issue that frequently affects Escape models at around 35,000 miles is transmission failures. Depending on local labor costs, replacing the transmission costs around $3,000. Liftgate release switch. The rear glass or the liftgate may not open from the outside due to corrosion at the liftgate release switch. The release switch is the button located under the liftgate chrome bezel that you press to open the liftgate or the rear glass. The part is inexpensive, costs about $25 and is easy to replace. Axle shaft seal leaks. The second generation Escape's leaking left axle shaft seal is a common complaint from owners. Dropped transmission fluid levels and fluid leaks in the left front area of the driveway are symptoms. The inner CV joint housing, seal, and possibly the axle bushing must be replaced as part of the repair. A Ford dealer has the repair kit for sale. It costs from $350 to $620 to fix this. There are 5 recalls, with the most serious being for the electronic power steering system and fuel delivery module, which increase the risk of an accident or fire. A properly maintained 2008 to 2012 Ford Escape will last approximately 150,000 miles, which is half as long as top competitors like the Toyota RAV4. According to information from Repair Pal, regular annual maintenance costs $544 per year. And it's a little bit expensive. The most second-generation Escapes on the market will have over 100,000 miles, so prospective buyers should be ready to spend $200 on a brake master cylinder, $450 on a blower motor, and $200 on control arm bushings.